As y'all do. Before we get up out of here, we're going to talk about the natural disasters, the earthquakes that came and hit. We had the solar eclipse on Monday, and depending on where you were, is how you were impacted by the solar eclipse. Now, a lot of people went out and bought glasses, or they wanted people to feel like they went out and bought glasses because they were saying that the solar eclipse glasses were sold out in all the dollar stores. But I ain't really getting no glasses, and I ain't look up to no solar eclipse either. But for those that did, man, I hope that y'all still can see. I know that much. I hope that y'all didn't look at that sun directly, but if you did, if you didn't, here go a couple of images that we're gonna show y'all to show the beauty, the mystique, the natural brightness phenomenon that is the solar eclipse, the moon lining up with the earth and the sun and blocking the sun's rays for all of a few minutes at a time. It was a mysterious event. Some may think that, it was a little bit more than just astronomy, a little bit more than just looking at the stars in the sky. Some think that, there were energy that was passed through from the sun to the moon. Some may, say that, some of us may have gotten powers if we experience the energy of the sun's rays bouncing off of the lunar mood. Yeah, there was a lot of different interpretations of what the solar eclipse meant and what it was, what it was here for. But let's just look at a couple of clips of the solar eclipse and videos and pictures, since we couldn't look at it in real life. So this is a picture of the solar eclipse from a plane. Everything goes dark real quick, just that fast, and then it's light again. Beautiful, ain't it? What a phenomenon. And from where I was, I didn't really get out of the car and look up. I was kind of too busy to pay attention to the solar eclipse too much. But it did get kind of dark a little bit, over here where we was at. It got kind of dark a little bit. And then, it got back right. So for all y'all that had a great solar eclipse experience, the next one will be in 2045 or something like that. So we have to kind of do what we can to make sure we live long enough to check out the solar eclipse in 2045. But here go footage of Dallas during the solar eclipse. Boom. Just that fast. It went dark and got right back light. So for y'all that thought that it was going to be, this is a time-lapse video anyway. But for y'all that thought that it was going to be dark for a long time, or it was going to be blackouts, and it was going to be riots, and it was going to be all kind of bedlam going on. Nah, it wasn't none of that, Just a real quick shift. They say if you look down on the ground during the solar eclipse, you could see solar eclipse on the ground.
Looks strange. I've never seen it before.
Yeah, so that was the reflection from the sun's rays being blocked by the sun, being blocked by the moon, but then being reflected onto shadows and many, 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 many energy circles. Beautiful, right? I agree. So yeah, there was a lot of different ways that you can experience the solar eclipse again. And in case you didn't really make it a big deal, and we'll see you guys in about 20 to 21 years, 2025, 2045, something like that. Yeah. The next time that the sun will line up with the moon and with the earth. it'll be some time from now. Some folks said that they seen something else. Said they seen something else in the sky when they was trying to look for the solar eclipse. Here go another clip of the phenomenon. Y'all check this out.
Back up.
What that was? Y'all seen that? Real quick, so check it out again. Oh, what in the X-Files? What in the X-Files was that?
Bruh.
Look, there's something flying through the air. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that?
Yo, what the fuck?
Aliens!
Yo.
Yeah, you know, every other month, man, we're going to have an alien talk, but we ain't going to never see much more from the alien talk, so I don't even want to talk no aliens. I'm just going to let it be that. I'm going to just let it be that, man. Shout out to the solar eclipse and shout out to all the bullshit that happened after the solar eclipse. I'll tell you, man, people just start getting crazy out here.